Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this wheel flower. This is a 6 petal flower. I will use this yarn. This is a 3-ply yarn. 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. I will use a yarn needle for sewing and a cutter. So let's get started. Start working. Wrap the yarn around the hook like this. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now a ring is formed. Make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet, and after that make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Now make a double crochet into the ring. After that make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and again make a double crochet into the ring. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and again make a double crochet into the ring. Chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 spaces here. Now we will make 3 chains, which will create a 6th space. And now after 3 chains, make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now make 3 chains, and after 3 chains make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4 into the chain 3 space. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. First petal is ready. Now into the next chain 3 space make a slip stitch and make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and again make double crochets into the chain 3 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. Make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. This is the second petal. Now make a slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. Make 3 chains, and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and after making 4 double crochets make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the same chain 3 space. Make other 3 petals like this. Now make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the same last chain 3 space. Pull the yarn over, cut the yarn with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. At the back side of your work to secure it. Just pull the yarn needle through some stitches and then cut the extra yarn with the help of cutter. Now veil flower is ready. You can add it on baby frocks, baby hat, booties, etc. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Bye.